Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about 3 years LLB, third semester. As you all know, I have given many videos, around more than 250 videos have been given during the tenure of 1 year. I have a habit to do make videos for LLB examinations, LLB course, and LLB academics, and notification from the KSLU. I have been given many videos for your academics. For the purpose behind is to enrich the LLB students' knowledge and to improve their knowledge, because whichever I have shared the videos, all of my experience. I used to always talk about my own experience. So if you go through my channel, entire channel, you will come to know, you will have the knowledge what LLB it is and what exact in LLB we used to study. So my advices and my tips always my own experience which I've shared among videos. So I would like to share my thoughts, my views, my knowledge to enrich to the students. So it is very helpful if you go through my channel and if you adopt some of the most valuable tips whichever have already been experienced. So today I would like to speak about 3 years LLB third semester. Many of the, as you all know, many of the students have been promoted as per the court order, but still it is pending. Why? Because already that Karnataka State Law University has been appealed for the what you call whatever we have given, we have got from the Dharwad bench, Honorable High Court of Karnataka. So let it be. Anyhow, as per my view and my thought, you the first year students already have got promoted, second semester have already got promoted, now they are in third semester. In third semester my advice is to don't neglect your studies. Already started from the Karnataka State Law University, they have already given notification for academics to be started. I hope already started. If they doesn't, the college has not been started means as per the Karnataka State Law University, it has been already started. Why? Because they have already given notification. So as per their views, whether college has been conducted the classes or not, that doesn't matter. They don't see it. They already given the notification. That is the main thing they are required. So here, so many of the students have been struggle about to learn about what is 3 year LLB third semester. What are the subjects we have to study, and what we how if we follow the method we can able to success in the especially 3 years LLB third semester. So many of the last students which related to 3 years LLB also, 3 years LLB and 5 years also it is applicable. Some of the laws, because every LLB students used to learn law subjects. So in 3 year LLB third semester, we used to study about jurisprudence, used to study about administrative law, used to study about taxation law, used to study about criminal law too. These are the main subjects we need to study. And the last subject is labor law 2. We'll start about jurisprudence. Jurisprudence, in the jurisprudence subject, we used to study about the evolution of jurisprudence, the importance of jurisprudence, and theory. On the basis of theories of jurisprudence, there are we used to have 5 units. So the main questions and main important questions are already prepared and I have published in the YouTube channel. We can go through each questions. I have prepared around 35 to 40 questions. So it will be applicable 10 marks questions, 16 marks questions, and 6 marks questions. So you can go through it and you can prepare for your own notes for those questions. That is very important for your examination point. If you get into that, definitely you will have an idea about it and you can able to score yourself for jurisprudence especially. This is how jurisprudence. And the second subject is criminal law 2. In criminal law 2, what will study? The criminal procedure. We can able to study about pre-trial process, trial process, and will study about Juvenile Justice Act. Used to study and cover about criminal law too. If we come into the administrative law, in administrative law, what is the administrative law says, and what are the theories of administrative law, and what is the functions of administrative law, and there are many concepts like ombudsman, the evolution of ombudsman, corporation. There are many sub topics we can able to study in the administrative law. Then third subject is taxation law. As you all know, in taxation law, we will have direct law and sorry, direct tax and indirect tax. We have been bifurcated direct tax and indirect tax. In that, we used to study about income tax 1961, GST Act. In the GST Act, central GST and state GST, and Custom Act. Used to study about those kind of things in the taxation law. I have discussed about jurisprudence law. I have discussed about criminal law too. I have discussed about administrative law. I am going to discuss about again labor law too. In the labor law too, many acts which we can able to study in the university subject. What do you call? From the KSLU, Karnataka State Law University, we can study about Provident Fund Act 1952. We can study about Bonus Act 1965. We can study about Minimum Wages Act 1948. We can study about Practice Act 1948. There are many acts which we can able to study in the labor law too, especially. Then next subject is our covered labor law too, administrative law, taxation law. 4 subject I have covered, and one more subject it is there, that is I forgot actually. These are the 5 subjects we can able to study in the university examinations. I hope this video have been clarified about your 3 years LLB, especially third semester. If you go through properly about your syllabus, first of all you have to study about syllabus and objectives of the syllabus and go through all units. Then after you have to take most important questions in my YouTube channel. If you can get textbooks, prescribed textbook or reference textbook from the colleges, you can note down those questions and please be answer for those questions. If you follow this methodology, definitely you can able to score very good marks in the LLB. My motto is to score good marks in LLB and you have to complete in the first attempt itself. so that you will have a bright future in the LLB course especially. So this is how I hope this video have been clarified about the 3 years LLB third semester. You are at third semester. Most of the students already academics have been started. So please do study about uh, especially 3 years LLB, and don't depend too much on your colleges, because uh, some colleges have been started, some colleges have not may not be started. Self study is the best method to pass your LLB examinations. And one more thing, maybe in the next after 15th of January you will have again lockdowns, so you need to face a lot of problems. So if you like this, if you continue, you may not have the colleges in the future. So that is the reason my advice is to please be study for yourself, take a syllabus and take important questions to make answers for those questions. Please be study, and please be start yourself today itself. You have to start it, so that you will definitely you can able to pass your LB examinations. Thank you.